Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliance Experience Center. I'm going over the air fry Ninja versus the Beko. So if you see the fries here, you can see the kind of difference. This is the Beko wall oven, and then this is the Ninja. Some of the pros and cons, benefits of this. I mean, the Ninja is on the island, and let's actually open it up, and I'm going to put it down. And look at this. You see that heating element in there and a fan? That's really all it's powered by, okay? I know the wall oven's a bigger, badder beast, but when we talk about the wall oven, it's built in, gets off your island. That's the hugest piece. People don't like air frying, sits on their island, it's chunky, it's bulky, it takes up space, takes up storage. This is built right in your wall. It comes with all the features that your convection oven has already, but in our Beko wall oven, it's twin fans. So not just one little fan, we got two big fans pushing air, and we can come back to that. So great lighting, twin fan pushing the air up. And let me open the oven door and talk about their heating element. We're using that big broiler element. Look at the size of that compared to like the tabletop version. Plus, we have all this surface area. So benefits, it's push button as well. Air fry, set the temp and go. It's built into our oven that we already have here with our convection features. Gets it off the island, makes it readily accessible, and now we can do more in the air fry. You could adapt more chicken wings. You could do, instead of a smaller batch, we could do a larger batch, and we could space it out so it'll cook more evenly. So I find that a lot of customers say, I air fry, I use the tabletop, but I don't like it. I can only do certain batches, and if I put too much in, it's uneven. So you're really gonna eliminate all of those hiccups with just the wall oven on the air fry setting.